When you judge another, you do not define them, you define yourself. How people treat you is their karma, how you react is yours. If you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. If you enjoyed the video, please like video and subscribe channel. Be miserable or motivate yourself. Whatever has to be done, it's always your choice. You cannot be lonely if you like the person you're alone with. You can either be a host to God or a hostage to your ego. It's your call. The highest form of ignorance is when you reject something you don't know anything about. You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. Judgments prevent us from seeing the good that lies beyond appearances. Go for it now. The future is promised to no one. Real magic in relationships means an absence of judgment of others. Loving people live in a loving world. Hostile people live in a hostile world. Same world. Live one day at a time, emphasizing ethics rather than rules. Self-worth comes from one thing, thinking that you are worthy. Miracles come in moments. Be ready and willing. Begin to see yourself as a soul with a body, rather than a body with a soul. Heaven is a state of mind, not a location, since spirit is everywhere and in everything. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Jossan Quotes.